Here's how to install the correct version of termux. So when you go to Play Store, you'll find this version, and this is a correct version, but you see Play Store has so many policies and restrictions, so the version you get here will not be as complete as the one you're going to get from where I'm going to show you. So instead, go to F-Droid. So go to your browser in Chrome or Firefox. I'm using Firefox. Just type in F-Droid termux or something like that, then go to the official website and scroll all the way down. So this is how the website looks. This is what you'll see, termux. Then scroll all the way down, you'll find this first button, the blue button. This is for you to download F-Droid. You don't have to, but if you want, you can download it. Then right next to it, you'll see the version of termux. Now this is the version of termux. So version 0.1.19.0, right? So scroll down, then you'll find the download button. Click on that to download. This is the more stable version of termux that has not been restricted. It has no like policies or whatever like the one in Google Play Store. So you're going to get full control from this. Okay, so let's wait for it to install and open it. Allow. Now this is the perfect way to install termux. Now we have termux installed, but there are a few things that you have to do. The first thing, you need to update it and upgrade. So to do that, just do pkg update. You can do that, or you can continue using the double and command. So and pkg upgrade grade, then you say -y. Okay, so this will take a lot of time because it's the first time, but let's just wait for it to finish. Nice. So our updates are done and you're good to go. So the next thing you need to do is to set up your storage. So just type this termux hyphen setup hyphen storage like that and press enter. So it's going to ask you for permission, so you're going to need to allow, then just go back and you're done. So now if you ls, I should have done this before, but if you do ls, you'll see the storage directory. So this shows that termux now has access to your device storage. So now you can create files in termux and save them in your and find them in your file system when you use Google Files or whatever. Nice. There's one more thing that we need to do. We need to change our repository. This is optional, but it's recommended that you do. So just do termux dash change. Is it change? Yeah, I think it's change dash repository. Change repo like that. Termux change repo. Okay, so we're going to choose mirror group, the first one. So enter, just press enter. Okay, then you need to choose the mirrors that are close to you. So if you're in Asia, pick the one in Asia. If you're in Europe, you just, so if you're in Africa, you can either pick the one in Asia or Europe because those ones are the closest to you. So set. So you can just click on the mirror that you want. So I'm going to pick Asia because I'm in Africa and it's closer to me. Then press enter. And you're all done. So you're good to go. That's how you do it. Now start building something cool.